Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to pair your VSeeBox V6 Max Remote with your TV. So before you begin, turn on your TV and place the VSeeBox remote and your TV remote facing each other, about 1 to 3 inches or 3 to 8 centimeters apart. Next, put the VSeeBox remote into learning mode. To do this, press and hold the TV power button for around 3 to 5 seconds until the indicator light starts blinking. Once the light flashes, the remote is ready to learn commands. Now select the button you want to program, such as the power button, volume up, volume down, mute or input. Press the button on the VSeeBox remote, then immediately press and hold the corresponding button on your TV remote. If the indicator light flashes or turns off, the command has been stored successfully. Repeat the same process for any other buttons you want to copy. For example, press the power button on the VSeeBox remote, then press and hold the power button on your TV remote until the light confirms it has been saved. When you're finished, exit learning mode by pressing any button that isn't programmable, or simply wait a few seconds for the remote to exit automatically. Finally, test every button you programmed. Check functions like power, volume up, volume down, mute, and input to make sure they're working correctly. If one of them doesn't respond, repeat the programming steps for the specific button. And that's how to program a VSeeBox V6 Max Remote to your TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.